Hey guys, welcome back to another JYJ repair video. Today we're working on a Thermapen Mk4. I got it off of eBay. I'll put the listing right here or somewhere around here. I think I paid what, 30 bucks for it. They said it doesn't turn on, but this feels kind of tight. I have my own. If we can't get this one to work, we're just gonna switch everything into this one. This is my personal one. I had it for about a year and it just disintegrated on me. So take this one apart, see if it works. If it does, great. It'll be a pretty boring video. If not, we'll switch this over. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Alright, first things first, we're going to take the battery cover off. It's the bottom here. There is a battery in there. Ooh, it's a Duracell. Look how puffed out that the end of that battery is though. It almost looks rounded. Let's take the one that I have in here, because this one works. I just have to hold it and stuff like that. I've got an Eagle Premium AAA battery here. Alright, put that in there. Battery's in, doesn't turn on. Okay? So now we know it doesn't work. We gotta figure out why it doesn't work. So I've already had this one apart before, so I kinda know how they come apart. You have to take these stickers off. I don't really want to ruin the stickers because I kinda like them on there. What I want to do this is repair this as closest to factory as I possibly can. So we're going to take my heat gun, I'm going to turn that down to the lowest it will go. I think it's like 190. No, 100. Cool. We're just going to put that on here real quick and melt some of that glue. Be okay. It's pretty sticky still too. And then we gotta do it right here too. This is gonna be the fun one.
Hey, tell me what you want. I like that too, babe. Hey, yeah, I like that. Got a super bad bitch, feel like Tony Hawk. For a real one. I'ma drop it in like bird. Mountains on the cans blue. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh, put it on me. My little pontoon shawty.
Oh man, I think I just tore part of it. God, why am I so bad at this? Alright, I'm making this look worse than it would if I just pull it off. There we go. And I'm sure that's some sort of warranty sticker. We don't need those.
If it's okay with you. If the mountains on the cans blue, need one for both hands, baby, grab two. Lay out on the front and get your tan on. Water to my knees, 100 deep.
Still really tight. Let me just, I think the body just separates. Well, our screw holders are broken. That's cool. So I'm gonna look under here. It's the thermostat part. I think it's right here. This is the switch. So let's get, I think there's, yeah, there's one more screw right here under this sticker. They're a little too hot. That one came off pretty good though. Excuse me. So now we got everything taken apart. All the screws are out, so we should be able to get this done.
Artlist.io.
I think the only this turns on just by a little button right here. So if we put a battery in, and then push
Music licensing reimagined.
something in there, should be able to get some light out of it. Let's get it apart some more.
See you smile everywhere I go. You're the only one I wanna hold. Stay down the ride, down the road.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, we can make the news or we can let go.
Oh,
Ain't no need to do a single thing just cause they say so. What the hell do they know? Bending all the rules,
okay.
gonna put you in a rainbow. Yo, and me is worth the time. Looking like a
Music
rainbow
licensing
inside.
reimagined.
How does this go?
You will start the way you shine. Looking like the type to make my wife. 2 appetite songs. Either way, we going all night. Long, late, smiling at your eye. Memes that I sent got you happy.
See that? Try to zoom in. Probably won't be able to see it.
Artlist.io.
There it is. Is that corrosion? Oh, you bet it is.
Reimagined.
So maybe we just got a corroded contact? Oh, not even showing you what I'm doing. Scraping that a little bit.
Artlist.io.
Oh man. This came out.
Music licensing reimagined.
put it back together. Oops.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
All I see is blessings, got no time for stressing. Don't believe in failures in my life, it's only lessons. They just making room for what I'm on now. I don't
where
got a
this
clue,
goes.
but I know the one who does know how. Oh wow, it's like I'm learning the game.
Music
Yeah, it looks like
licensing
there's all kinds of water
reimagined.
damage in here. He probably just got it wet and then just said screw it,
Destiny has my
sell it
name,
to
know it's
somebody.
coming, it'll never go. I know that we all gonna be alright. We gon' make it through if it takes us all night. No matter
Board
what
doesn't
the
look bad,
odds
though.
may bring our way. I can see the blessings coming our way, yeah, yeah, yeah. Blessings on blessings, yeah. I can see the
Screw this
blessings
up
coming
somehow.
our way, our way, our way. Blessings on
Artlist.io.
blessings, yeah. I can see the blessings coming our way.
I can't say that life's been perfect or complain, cause life's been worth it. And all because of who he is working, only working out for my God.
Music licensing reimagined.
No more tears and no. Oh, he's working me and molding me who he wants me to be.
I know that we all gonna be alright. We gon' make it through if it takes us all night. No matter what the odds may bring our way. I can see the blessings coming our way, yeah, yeah, yeah. Blessings on blessings, yeah. I can see the blessings coming our way, our way.
Artlist.io.
Blessings on blessings, yeah. I can see the blessings coming our way. I can see the blessings, I can feel
I'm
your
gonna take
presence.
these.
Leaning on the change in my heart for your endeavors. I pray I'm your reflection, I fiend for your correction. The cross brought the connection in through Jesus is perfection. Life done hit me
Music
crazy, been more
licensing
stressed than ever.
reimagined.
Living like whatever, through the rain I feel you drawing closer.
Now I
Lord make
can
me
play
better,
with this.
take me, shape me, use me, I am yours.
can get it to
Take
turn
me,
on.
break me for the glory of the Lord. Okay, not only does he hold me when I'm down and feel I'm folding, he my coach when I'm the goalie, never lonely, got that hope in he who holy, holy, holy. Keep that rugged cross all on me, need that spirit to control me, seek that word to come and mold me, yeah. It's like I can feel the blessings
Artlist.io.
coming my way. Yeah. It's like I can feel the blessings coming my way.
The side's all curly too. I'm just trying to figure out what.
We gon' make it through if it takes us all
This is all
night.
dirty and
No matter
shit.
what
That's
the
probably why
odds
that's
may
not
bring
moving.
our way. I can see the blessings coming our
Music
way.
licensing reimagined.
Blessings on blessings, yeah. I can see the blessings coming our way, our way, our way. Blessings on blessings, yeah. I can see the blessings coming our way, yeah.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Bend this up a little. Make sure that's making good contact.
Artlist.io.
Oh shit. I got it to turn on.
Music licensing reimagined.
I think it just needs a good cleaning. Oh wait, there's something.
Artlist.io.
Error, probably because I have the probes off. So we got power. I'm just gonna need to figure out why it's
Music licensing reimagined.
not working. Alright, I'm gonna go figure out where my brush is for cleaning stuff, and then we'll just clean this whole baby down. Might tear that one down, this one down, just to kind of see where everything goes for sure, because I have no idea where this came from. Alright, I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back.
Artlist.io.
Got my brush. I got a little bit of a nail file. That'll be good for cleaning off that oxidation on the pads, or like say on this spring. So we're just gonna clean that up and then put it back together and see if it works.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
What's that?
Music licensing reimagined.
Oh, I forgot to put this part in. Stupid. Okay. Kind of like how the spring assembly goes in.
Artlist.io.
So it goes into the hole. There's a hole in the board, so that little hole gets the end of the spring. Then it holds it in place so it doesn't go back or forth.
Music licensing reimagined.
Okay, now all the pieces are in. But still nothing. But I think it's because I'm basically holding everything together. There we go. You got error. So I'm squeezing it. I'm getting power.
Artlist.io.
Just want to see this part work. Alright, cool. I'm gonna
Music
solder
licensing
these back on.
reimagined.
What did I say? Green was positive. some flux on there, dabble do it.
Artlist.io.
Boom. See that master solder work on this next one?
Music licensing reimagined.
Okay, maybe not.
Artlist.io.
Sweet. No. That's what I get for messing with it. I just saw the light come on. So we know
Music
the light works.
licensing reimagined.
Better take that battery out of there just in case.
Artlist.io. Music licensing
Okay.
reimagined.
Where does it need pressure where I'm not doing anything? There we go. Right here. And I pull that tab,
Artlist.io.
it turns off. I cover up right here. Where is it? The light comes on. And that is probably accurate. 84 degrees. It's hot as shit down here, and it's my basement still. Alright. I don't know what I'm doing wrong, man. Oh. I'm not very smart for doing this stuff. I get it to here and then it doesn't work. Oh, it needs to be pressed down super hard. So can we just put it together and like tighten everything up super tight and then it'll work? Let's try that. That part's going. Let's take this one apart real quick. We'll take this one apart and we'll compare the insides and then I'll start recording again. Alright, I got this piece off and right away I see that there's screws on the back. So I've been trying to just piece this together and hold it together by my fingers when there's screws for a reason. That's dumb move number 600. Right now I'm just trying to see where that little metal square thing is. This piece. I see it. It's for the battery door. Okay. There's that. I'll set this one aside. And I'm gonna save that for parts anyway.
In your heart there lives a dream for your soul to master. From the moment that you breathe, get to chasing after. Yeah. All that you want.
Now it just holds on.
All that you ever dreamed. You can make anything of this life. Someday we'll make it all.
Lights on.
Someday we only try it.
This is gonna be so much easier to put together while I'm not trying to hold everything together.
No matter what they say, we gonna get. Someday we'll make it on. Someday. Other days we only can try. Other days. No matter what people say. Someday we'll make it on by. Other days we only can try. Either way, no matter what we're gonna get. We're gonna get. Someday we'll make it on by.
God, that's tight. I don't know why that's so tight.
Either way, we're gonna get better.
Dirty? Kinda. Let's clean that up. See if that works. Well, the button's working. There you go.
Your vision be your guide, but if your money be your leader, then your power be divine. Oh yeah. When your
Oh Oh yeah, that's much better. Doesn't always close though. Alright, so I got this piece. I don't know where that came from. So hopefully this thing still screws together. I kind of want to put that probe into this one, but this video is already super long. Let's put this big screw in, see if that does anything for the turning on and off. No, but it's super tight still. Alright, it's turning off. It's kind of tight. See, the screws go in. These really long ones.
What you try to do, you can't deny the truth. No, and what the people choose ain't really up to you. Actions always find a way to shine brighter than the things you say. Can't get around it if you try. If you love them, then you magnify.
Alright, that's all back together. It's got a couple loose screws. Who doesn't? Turns on. Holding the end says it's 985. Let's see right here. Okay, went up to 555. I don't know what that is in Celsius, but it's hot enough. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed that video. I think we just gotta see if we can get these stickers on without it looking like dog crap. Alright, stickers are on. I mean, they don't look perfect, but it's better than none. Open that up. I got some ice water here. Just about 32. I mean, the ice has been melting for a while, so. But 33, 34, I think that's pretty good. Alright guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.